All right, so now I'm going to show you how to use icounty.org to find deeds or other documents that might be stored in in various county offices, in particular the clerk's and recorder's office or the assessor's office. So we start, first of all, every time you do a search for some deeds or other documents, you're going to sign up again. You're going to click Sign Up New User here. So let's click that. All right. Now, even though I just said Sign Up New User, I'm actually renewing user. So click Renewing User. And then you're going to type in the username and password, which I'm going to give you. Let's get that right there. Okay. Password. Hit next. Okay, this is taking a little time. There. Okay. So as you can see, my information is already filled in because I've used this site before. Click I agree to the terms set forth on this page. Click next. Now it's very important that you click daily because we only want to pay for 1 day of use, which is $15. If we click monthly, it will be something like $200. So after I've clicked daily, I hit next. Okay, credit card. I'm going to give you, verbally give you my credit card information, but I'll just punch it in now. I have it stored in my computer. I guess you can see right here what my information is. So if you can see that, you can just copy that and use it in the future, or you can call me if you need it. And as you can see here, it shows the total amount is $15.52 for 1 day of use. Click next. Now wait. Okay, now I'm going to click proceed to icounty.org. Okay, now we're back to this original page. This kind of confused me at first, but when you get there, just click to one of these logins depending on which browser you're using. Since I use a non-Microsoft Explorer browser, I'll click there. If you're Microsoft, you'll click here. I click there. Okay, now I have to punch in my username and password again. I'm kind of slow. Hit login. Okay, now here is where we search for documents. So first of all, we're going to be, most of what we do is going to be under document search here. See that? As opposed to reception search or legal search. And when we do a document search, we're going to put in the name of the grantor or grantee on the deed. Usually it'll be the grantee who on the last deed, which is the current owner of the property. You can put in recorded date, but we don't know when any of these documents were recorded, so that's not really relevant. Here gives you the option of checking the type of document you're looking for. And honestly, I'm not sure if it's important that one of those boxes be checked at all. So let's just do this with my company name, Unity Land LLC, because I know I have deeds with Unity Land LLC in this county. So if I search on Unity Land LLC, some documents should come up. Notice I have not checked any document types here. So let's try this. Search. Okay, so it looks like you don't even need to check a document type. And all you do is put the name of the person on the deed into this box, click search, and then all these anything with Unity Land LLC will come up. See, on this document, it's a warranty deed. Unity Land LLC is the grantee. On this document, also a warranty deed. Unity Land LLC is the grantor. Here I'm the grantee, etc. So now I've got all these documents, and let's say this is the one I'm looking for. So I click on that, and it shows me my document that I'm looking for. So now I'm going to take a screenshot of this for our records, and I'm sure you'll know how to do screenshots on your computer. So I want to capture basically the deed type, the grantors, the grantees, and the legal description, which is here. So I'm just going to take all that as part of my screenshot. That's the minimum, but then it's also important to look down the deed and see if there's any easements or anything important to know. And if you see anything like that, get that in your screenshot as well. One thing we talked about before was in some properties there might be a gas line easement following the boundaries of the property, and that would be important to know. On this deed, this is just boilerplate information. So I'll close out of that. And in a nutshell, that's what you're doing when you go to iCounty. Now, you might, in some cases, want to do a reception search, and reception number is just the document number of the deed that you might be looking for, which you would get from the assessor's office, or you could put the book and page number in. You would also have gotten that from the assessor's office when you gave them the APN for the property. So that's how you use iCounty. Once you've paid for one day, you can come back as many times as you need to in that day. So when normally you're only using iCounty when you have 2, 3, 4, 5 properties that you're doing due diligence on, so that we can obviously do as much work for that $15 payment as possible. And that's all I have on icounty.org. Thank you.